Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this delicious chicken stew. It's Korean style because it has this Korean chili paste, which is a little bit sweet and a little bit spicy. It's delicious, it's perfect, and super easy to make. Let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm using 2 pounds of chicken drumstick. You can also switch to chicken thighs. Some vegetables you like, I use carrots and potato, bell pepper, and green onion. And for the sauce and spice, you definitely want to get this Korean chili paste. It's pretty easy to find. I will link it down below. So we will start with the potato. Cut them into cubes and set it aside. Also cut the carrots into cubes. Follow the same steps for the green pepper. And also the onion. And next, we will make this delicious stew sauce. In a medium bowl, we will add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of honey or sugar, and most importantly, 2 tablespoons of Korean chili paste. Also add the pressed garlic cloves. And 2 teaspoons of salt. Give it a good stir and then set it aside. Now we will boil some water to blanch the chicken. I always add some ginger when blanching. Once the water starts to boil, we can take the chicken out. Rinse the chicken under running warm water, then drain the water out. Now we will turn on the fire to pan fry the chicken. Turn to the other side after about 3 minutes. Once the chicken turns slightly browned, we can transfer them out. Now place them in a stew pot. Pour in all the sauce and add enough water to cover all the chicken. Then we will cover the lid and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's add in the potato and carrots. Now it's time to add more water if needed. You want to cover almost everything. Put the lid back on and let it simmer for another 8 minutes. And after 8 minutes, we can add in the onion and green pepper. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will throw in the green onion and it's all done. The potato is soft and perfect, and the chicken is very tender and juicy. And my house smells super delicious right now. You can serve the stew over white rice and decorate with some sesame seeds. This homemade heartwarming chicken stew is seriously so good and super easy to make. Please try this recipe at home and let me know how you think. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.